What kind of freak is my dad friends with? No. No. It's cannot be happening. He's gonna be back in any second. Please tell me you're gone. There better not be a single t-shirt in there, Chris Collins, I swear. I don't care what my dad says. Oh my God. What? What kind of freak is my dad friends with? No. No. It cannot be happening. He's gonna be back in any second.
You know, if you wanted to play, you could have just asked.
I don't want to play. What do you even do with these, you perv?
Oh, I'm the perv? You're the one who came into my room, into my closet when I wasn't here.
I was doing you a favor and helping you move out because you shouldn't be here. Uncuff me.
What are your manners? Say please.
I don't have time for your games, old man. Give me the key. What the?
You and I are going to establish some ground rules. Are you ready to listen, like a good little girl? Or am I going to have to keep you cuffed up all day? Rule number 1. There was a lot scarier shit out there, kiddo. You just haven't been out in the real world long enough to notice it. So when I tell you that I'm here to protect you, you better listen to everything I say.
I can take care of myself.
Rule number 2. No talking back. I am the last guy you want to piss off. Rule number 3. Don't start any games you're not ready to play. So what else do you have planned today?
My plans are none of your concern. Here in the regular, no violent, non-mafia America, we have this thing called privacy.
You can have your privacy. Until sunset.
What does that mean?
We have curfew.
Ah!